Huntury Kayak fishing rod holder. Install in seconds. Slide into your kayak's rail. Twist to lock the base. Insert and click to lock. Lock the lower half of the base to the rail. Rotate the upper half to release the buckle. Lift the rod holder out effortlessly with one-hand lock and release. Twist the knot to adjust vertical angles for your perfect cast. Insert the rod holder at any horizontal angle to lock instantly. Grooves are on both sides, so you can choose whichever side is more comfortable to install and tighten the knot user-friendly and flexible. It fits spinning, bait casting, and fly rods perfectly. Thick silicone straps secure your rod and prevent loss. One-hand operation allows you to install the rod holder onto the adapter with greater convenience. For more precise angle adjustment, use both hands. Twist the upper part of the adapter base with one hand while inserting the rod holder into the base with the other. This track rod holder takes the hassle out of the gear setup. Fish easier, fish better.